this is our
love story.
The world was only black and white, passing lonely day to lonely night. I heard 1,000 songs, but none were true. That was my darling, until I found you. Oh, my darling, my heart was lost at sea. Oh, my darling, you brought it back to me. I'm never letting go. This love is all I know.
Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm showing you exactly how I made that video from scratch using just AI. The secret? It's all about prompting Veo 3 to generate cinematic animation with perfect lip sync for singing and real dialogue. Whether it's a music video or a story-driven scene, this method gives you full control. Let's get started. First things first, the music. There are tons of AI music tools out there now, and most give you free credits that refresh daily or monthly. Just type in what you want, and it generates a full track. But what if you're like me and not a music expert? That's exactly why I made this, a master prompt that turns Gemini into your personal music producer. Here's how it works. You paste one single prompt into Gemini. I've dropped it in the description for you. Gemini will ask you to name a famous song that matches the vibe you're going for. Based on that, it gives you 3 tailored options. You pick the one that feels right, and it writes a ready-to-use prompt for any AI music generator. It can even write original lyrics if you want. That's it. Alright, let's make the music. Head over to your favorite AI music generator. I'm using Suno, but the process is pretty much the same across platforms. First, copy the style prompt Gemini gave you and paste it into the box. If you had Gemini write lyrics, switch to custom mode and drop them into the lyrics box. Hit create and pick your favorite version. Not quite right? Regenerate until it clicks. Once you're happy, download the track and you're ready for the next phase. Song and assets ready. Time to build our scenes. As always, I'm using my favorite free AI tool, Google Whisk. Most people think it's paid, but the image generation part is actually 100% free and unlimited. What makes Whisk so powerful is consistency. You can upload reference images for your character, scene, and style. Then, just write a simple prompt describing the action, and Whisk blends it all together into a brand new image that perfectly matches your look, location, and character every time. I just upload my reference images as subjects and style, and leave the scene slot empty since I don't need a consistent background. Then I write a quick prompt describing the pose, action, and background, and that's it. And see, the style matches perfectly, and the character stays consistent. Alright, let's do another one. Just like that, I created all the scenes I needed, one by one. It's fast, great, and best of all, it's completely free. Okay, so we've got a folder full of clean, consistent stills, thanks to Whisk. Now it's time to make them move. This is where we jump into Google's Veo 3, available through Google Labs Flow or directly inside Gemini. To get great results, your prompt matters. And the workflow comes down to 2 core rules I picked up early on. Number 1. When you upload a still image as the initial frame, you don't need to describe the character at all. And number 2. Your text prompt should only focus on what's happening in the scene, things like movement, emotion, camera direction, and either dialogue or lyrics. Veo understands this simple structure. And here's the trick. You can replace dialogue with song lyrics, and Veo will animate your character singing them with lip sync. I used this still of Julian on stage as the initial frame. That locks in his look, lighting, and environment. Then, I wrote this for the text prompt. It starts with the emotion and expression. Then the lyrics, using slashes to indicate line breaks. And finally, a musical instruction for the style, tempo, and mood.
Oh, my darling, my heart was lost at sea. Oh, my darling, darling, oh, my darling, my darling.
For this shot, I shortened the lyrics to just, my darling, and you'll see Veo generate a slow singing performance.
My darling, oh, my darling.
So, here's the key tip for singing speed. The more lyrics you include, the faster Veo will make the character sing. So if you want a slow, emotional performance, use fewer words.
The world was only black and white, passing lonely day to lonely night. The world was only black and white, passing lonely day to lonely night.
And finally, just open your editor, drop in your clips, music, and audio, and assemble it all. We'll skip the editing part. You get the idea.
Thank you for coming. I am so glad to see all of you here tonight.
If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more creative AI projects. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one.